Hey, what's up, entrepreneur? DeJuan Jones here, your professional stay-at-home dad, and welcome to the official Builders Club TV YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, consider subscribing. We have interviews featuring the most epic internet rock stars inside of the work-from-home industry, and it's going to be a great time here. Check out some of the interviews on the platform. Make sure that you definitely leave a comment down below in some of the videos that you watch, and let us know even if there's someone that you would like to see being interviewed on the Builders Club TV.
After class. And I was thinking, like, man, my parents are spending so much money for me to be in school, and I'm in a business environment setting, and the professor is now discouraging me, for starting my own business at 21 years old. So, yeah, man. Everybody gets hate. Everybody gets nonsense. I tell people, some of the closest people to you, whether you're getting involved in real estate or insurance or network marketing, or you're building funnels and internet marketing, whatever you're doing, making music, it doesn't really matter. A lot of people close to you are going to discourage you, tell you it's not possible. And it's not because they don't love and care about you. It's because they don't want you to leave. Because if you make it, you get successful, and you change your environment, they're afraid you're going to leave them behind. The goal is definitely to motivate, inspire, and give the listeners some real tangible things and strategies they can do to 10x, 100x their business rest of 2020 for sure.
You could get a rose and sniff and woke, you slit, they really fake, so switch, excuse all the temperament. You could catch me with a riding venom, it's not a fantasy, riding tandem, and now I'm the shit, I'm sore, but the flow though tantrum, no matter with the kid, yeah, I'm on to something, got no kind of chill, lately I don't even build, I mean for real, they know I got skill, I do not have time to kill, the more money I reel in, the